video stream. Hey.
See what?
You're sitting in front of it though.
I know it's supposed to be showing. Let's see why it's not clicking when I hit the recorders.
Anytime he has questions about, even if I know the answer, I'll tell him, like, go Google it. You like being on your tablet, so go learn while you're there. And he does. Yeah. He's always been quick and smart, so. Sometimes he's just too smart for our
I'm repairing a cooking clock here.
His problem is
Clock
if
Rasma.
he isn't learning something that he's interested in,
I know my disease.
he doesn't. I'm talking.
My disease
I'm
is
talk-
clockarisma.
Okay. If like he's learning something at school that doesn't interest him, he
Draws.
just doesn't pay attention, you know? So that's the only problem.
Something make it interesting.
Yes, then he'll focus on it and he will learn all about it. But if it's something that he doesn't care to learn or whatever, like,
Oh, just pay
which
attention.
sucks because he's so
Oh, just
smart
pay
and quick
attention.
that he would catch on and he'd be fine.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, we need to put wood glue on this. It's starting to fall apart.
did you finish that water?
Yeah, but
Why
I'm
don't you
glad,
go
I'm glad these did not fall off. These are
Oh.
cute.
pick up the lid off the floor, go put it in the trash. Can't be that way, Hayden, because that's how you fail tests, and then you get bad grades, and then guess what? You're not gonna be able to be a clockmaker, you're not gonna be able to own your own business. You have to do good in school.
But can my business be called
You can do
Hayden's Clock
whatever,
Shop?
I don't care.
I'm gonna make
But
it.
while you were in school, you need to focus on school, or you're not gonna have clocks to play with after homework and stuff.
Hey, but Mommy, when I have my own shop, will you and Dad come buy a clock?
Sure.
I will not price them up to that much. So I'll only price the grandfathers up to $39 to $40 to $49 to $50 to $59 to $60. That's only how high up they go. And the cuckoo clocks will go up to $30 to $40 to $40 to $50. And the regular, like the other clocks, like the wall clocks will go up to $50 to $70. I'm not gonna do a rip off of money. So yeah. You can already tell I'm interested in clocks 100%. Hubert
But when
heard
you go back
true.
to school next week, you need to learn to leave that at home and focus at school, and then when you get home,
I can play with my clocks.
absolutely.